In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed YouTube Shorts on Wix for free. To get started, open your browser and search for Embed YouTube Shorts. Once you see the tool in the search results, click on it to open the page. This tool helps you quickly generate an embed code for a YouTube short, which you can then place directly on your Wix website without needing to build anything manually. When the page opens, you'll find a field where you can paste your YouTube Shorts URL. Go ahead and copy the link to the short you want to display on your site, then paste it into that box. After that, take a moment to look through the available settings. Depending on the tool, you may be able to adjust how the embed appears, so if you want to customize the look a little, this is the place to do it. If you prefer, you can also leave the default settings as they are and keep the process simple. Once your link is added and your settings look good, scroll down until you see the embed code. This is the HTML code you'll use inside Wix. Copy that code carefully because this is what connects the YouTube short to your site and allows it to display properly. Next, head over to your Wix editing page. Make sure you're in the editor for the website where you want the short to appear. In the top left corner, click Add. From there, choose Elements, then use the search option and type in Embed. This will help you quickly find the right feature without scrolling through everything manually. When you see the embed code element, click it to add it to your page. After it appears in the editor, double-click the element to open its settings. You should see a field for HTML. This is where you'll paste the embed code you copied earlier. Paste the code into that HTML field, then click Apply. Once that's done, your YouTube short should be embedded on the page. You can reposition the element and resize it inside the Wix editor, so it fits nicely with the rest of your layout. Before publishing, it's always a good idea to preview the page and make sure the short appears correctly and looks good on screen. And that's it. That's how to embed YouTube Shorts on Wix for free, using a simple embed tool and Wix's built-in embed code feature.